incredibly excited to be here, to meet my Ghanaian family and professionals and to learn from you all.
I am happy to be back in Ghana, raising awareness for autism spectrum disorder, making sure that we're able to educate our community on the needs and how to support individuals who are neurodivergent.
From awareness to action, advancing autism inclusion.
It's my absolute pleasure to welcome each and every one of you here today for the 4th annual Autism Conference.
As a bank, we pride ourselves in this initiative as it's being specially put together for people living with autism, their families, caregivers, for you and for me. We are deeply grateful to have your presence here today as we transition from awareness to action, advancing autism inclusion. This year, we have assembled not less than 28 of the very best of medical doctors, renowned specialists, educators, passionate advocates from Ghana, Nigeria, Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. They will facilitate discussions, provide professional insights, guide how we manage our wards living with autism, and lead our one-on-one consultations from tomorrow.
While awareness is vital, it is no longer enough. We must translate understanding into significant interventions, inclusive education, accessible healthcare, and supportive communities where every child can be themselves, be accepted and guided to be a meaningful part of our society.
The government of Ghana and the Ministry of Health recognize the critical role that awareness, early intervention, and supportive services play in improving the quality of life for persons living with autism and other neurodevelopmental conditions. We are therefore ready to collaborate with GTBank and other stakeholders to advance these goals, ensuring that no child is left behind. Let us use this platform to take bold steps advocating for and strengthening inclusive policies, supporting early intervention, and creating space where every child can shine and be the best version of themselves.
We are called to move beyond mere awareness to tangible action. Action that fosters inclusion. Actions that celebrate diversity. And actions that unlock the immense potential of every child living with autism spectrum disorder. It is my singular honor to declare the 2025 Autism Workshop and Consultations duly and officially launched.
I've heard many times, many times, parents who are in denial saying that, oh, boys do not talk early. And so when their boy child is showing signs and symptoms of ASD, they will say, oh, we think it's just a delay in his development. Most instances, symptoms are present by 2 to 3 years. So usually by 2 to 3 years, parents should have concerns. The symptoms show up by that time.
A functional assessment is how a behavior analyst tries to figure out the reason why people do the things that they do. We don't base assessment on, oh, I have this experience, this is why this person is doing it. No, experience is not enough. An assessment must be done. It's just like going to see a doctor and you say, doctor, I have pain in my throat. The doctor may have seen 1,000 people with pain in their throat and it just writes you a prescription. That would be malpractice. The doctor needs to look at you as an individual and check your throat to see what's going on there before he or she writes a prescription. It's the same with human behavior.
We are preaching that comprehensive assessment should be done thoroughly on the child from head to toe so that teachers will understand the status of the child and know what intervention that they have to give. Please, parents, if your child is not developing the way he's supposed to develop, don't sit there. Don't be going for prayer camp to prayer camp to prayer camp. Go to the appropriate quarters for them to look at what is happening so that you are clear in your minds.
Now, on behalf of the board, the MD, and everyone at GTBank Ghana, we want to say a big thank you to you for showing up, for speaking up, and for being the superheroes that you are, superheroes in your own way.